this?
What if a hidden world existed all around you? Join these young explorers as they discover the amazing invisible living world. What if you could see the invisible living world around you? In every drop of water, countless tiny organisms are living, moving, and interacting. Our eyes are incredible, but they have their limits. The invention of the microscope finally opened the door, revealing a fascinating, hidden world. In 1665, Robert Hooke made a discovery. Peering through his microscope at a slice of cork, he called these honeycomb structures cells. Let us look at cells in an onion peel. Zooming through the microscope, hundreds of rectangular plant cells appear. They are arranged like bricks in a wall. Plant and animal cells share several common features. The plant cell is rectangular, with a rigid cellular plant cells appear. Cells have a rounded shape and smaller vacuoles. Muscle cells have a spindle shape. This shape helps them contract for movement. Nerve cells are long and branched. This shape helps them send messages. A cell is the basic unit of life. Similar cells form a tissue. Different tissues form an organ. Organs work together to form an organ system. All organ systems together form an organism. Now let's explore the world of microorganisms. A single drop reveals a hidden world. Amoeba and paramecium are some examples. They are too small to be seen with naked eyes. Amoeba changes its shape to move. Parameciums rapidly using cilia. Green algae float and perform photosynthesis. Fungi appear as branching filaments. Microbes are found everywhere. They are present in soil and water. They drift in the air we breathe. They even live inside the human intestine and thrive on rotten fruits. Microorganisms are nature's cleanup crew. They break down organic waste through decomposition, transforming it into nutrient-rich compost. This returns vital nutrients to the soil. Animal dung and plant waste are fed into a biogas plant. Bacteria break down the waste without oxygen. This process produces biogas bubbles, produce clean biogas fuel. Let's see how yeast makes bread dough rise. Microscopic yeast cells feed on sugar. They release carbon dioxide bubbles. This gas makes the dough soft and fluffy. Curd is added to warm and cold milk. Lactobacillus multiply rapidly in the warm milk. They convert the milk sugar into acid. This acid turns the milk into thick curd. Rhizobium bacteria live in root nodules of leguminous plants. They capture nitrogen from the air and convert it into usable nutrients for the plant. This process helps. Tiny microalgae like spirulina are amazing. They produce a large portion of our oxygen. They also help keep water systems clean. They produce oxygen to help sustain life on Earth. Science is not just about what we can see. It is also about discovering what is hidden. Created by JAIKRISH V K. Grade 8 Science. Thank you for watching.